What if I told you that small changes in your daily life could save you thousands of dollars each year? Imagine reaching your financial goals faster, without sacrificing the things you love. Stick with me, because today, I'm sharing 25 frugal tips that will change the way you think about money. Hey there, welcome to today's video. If you're looking for practical, easy ways to save money and finally reach your financial goals, you're in the right place. Whether you're trying to save for a big purchase, pay down debt, or simply create a cushion for the future, being frugal is key. But don't worry, I'm not talking about living a life of deprivation. These 25 tips are simple, effective, and will help you save more without giving up the things that matter most. So, let's jump in with the first tip. It's easy to lose track of where your money goes. The first step in becoming frugal is understanding your expenses. Use a budgeting app, or even a simple spreadsheet, to monitor every dollar you spend. This will give you a clear picture of where you can cut back. Having clear goals is a game changer. Whether it's saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or building up your retirement savings, knowing what you're working towards helps you stay focused and motivated. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account right after you get paid. Even small amounts can add up over time, and you'll barely miss them. Eating out can get expensive, but with a little planning, you can save big. Plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list, and stick to it. Cooking at home doesn't have to be complicated, and it's much cheaper than dining out. It's 2024, there's no excuse not to use coupons or find discounts. Whether it's through apps, loyalty programs, or browsing online before making a purchase, these little savings add up over time. Do you really need that gym membership you don't use, or that streaming service you forgot about? Go through your subscriptions and cancel the ones you don't need. It's an easy way to save money without making big sacrifices. Next time you're at the store, consider swapping out name brand items for generic or store brand versions. Most of the time, you won't even notice the difference, but your wallet will be a lot happier. You don't have to spend a fortune to have fun. Look for free events in your community, take advantage of outdoor activities, or check out the free resources your local library offers. If you have student loans, car loans, or a mortgage, look into refinancing to get a better interest rate. Even a small reduction in your interest rate can save you hundreds over the life of the loan. Before you make any big purchase, consider buying used. Whether it's clothes, furniture, or electronics, you can find great deals on second-hand items that work just as well as new ones. If you live in an area with public transportation, why not use it instead of driving everywhere? You'll save money on gas, parking, and wear and tear on your. It's so easy to buy things on a whim, but those small purchases can add up quickly. Before you buy something, ask yourself if you really need it or if it's just a fleeting desire. Credit cards can lead to overspending and high-interest debt. Try to limit your use of credit cards and only charge what you can afford to pay off at the end of the month. Clothing can get expensive, but you don't need to constantly buy new things to stay stylish. Thrift stores, sales, and swapping clothes with friends are all great ways to stay on trend without breaking the bank. Switching to energy-efficient appliances can save you money on your utility bills in the long run. Small changes like switching to LED light bulbs or unplugging electronics when you're not using them can also make a big difference. Some hobbies can get really expensive, like golfing, collecting, or certain types of sports. If you're trying to save, look for cheaper alternatives that you enjoy just as much. If you have multiple debts, consider consolidating them into one loan with a lower interest rate. This can make your monthly payments more manageable and save you money in the long run. Having an emergency fund is crucial to avoid going into debt when unexpected expenses pop up. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved up. This will give you peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws at you. Declutter your home and make some extra cash by selling things you no longer need. You can sell items online, at yard sales, or through apps that make it easy to get rid of stuff. Instead of hiring someone to fix things around your home or paying for expensive repairs, learn how to do it yourself. YouTube is full of tutorials that can help you tackle small projects on your own. Want to accelerate your savings? Consider taking up a side hustle, whether it's freelancing, tutoring, or selling handmade items online. An extra income stream can give you a major financial boost. These are two areas where we often overspend. Cutting back just a little can result in huge savings. Instead of dining out or ordering in, try cooking meals at home and limiting alcohol consumption. Just because you've always bought a particular brand doesn't mean it's the best deal. Don't be afraid to shop around for better prices or alternatives. It's often possible to negotiate your bills, from your phone plan to your internet subscription. Don't be afraid to call your providers and ask for discounts or better deals. Take a look at your insurance policies to ensure you're not paying for coverage you don't need. Compare rates from different providers to make sure you're getting the best deal. Learn how to fix things around the house instead of hiring someone. YouTube is full of tutorials on everything from fixing a leaky roof to sewing a button. Use apps or spreadsheets to monitor your spending. Track where your money goes and look for areas where you can cut back.